Oh my goodness. It's fat. Nice. Think it's fat. Oh my goodness. Goodness. Anyway. Hey yo, we back and back with the Honda. Yes, I said I was gonna sell this thing, but hey, we're gonna give it some leeway. Let's call it leeway. But yeah, we back. It's Albertine Works, bro. I have so much names. I don't even know what to call myself anymore. But anyway, today you gotta take the boost out. I can't zoom. Oh my gosh. Anyway, we're gonna take the boost out and get a new booster. Hopefully that's gonna fix the brakes because I had an ABS problem. So yeah, let's do that, man. Okay, so we got the booster off right now, and I see no, so there's no liquid in my booster, but I see the ease of rust from before. Like that's not good, man.
You better get that out of here.
The front looks doable, honestly, but that's just some thingamajig sealant. But this is bad. That tells me there was a leak in it before. So yeah, man, wash my hands. Okay, I don't need to wash it again. Still clean. So yeah, booster's off. Check. Now, my guys and gals, we gotta go and get the booster. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys real quick. Look at all of that rust. Nah, bro, that ain't healthy. So yeah, it's a good thing I pulled that booster out because it's a telltale sign that there was a leak there before. So yeah, it's a good thing I'm doing this actually because that shit looked chopped. I shouldn't be swearing like that. This is YouTube. I don't know about the regulations, but yeah, let's do this. Time to go in the whip. Yeah, I probably gotta throw petrol. Oh my word! Music playing, waiting for Dad, and I'm gonna drive right now.
2 hours later.
On the way home now. Waiting for Dad at the music store, so yeah, man, we're chilling. On our way home. The else is the road. Finally. Let's do it. Okay, so it's time to put that booster right in that hole. That sounds wrong, but it's going in there, bro. Let's do it. So what you guys didn't see off camera is that this booster is massive, bro. So I'm planning, right? So we took off most of the stuff like the wiring because it was in the way, even some of the brake lines, just to make some room. And yeah, the plan right now is to cut this away, actually, just sort away. Hey, I don't know what the outcome is gonna be, but I trust that booster fits in there perfectly. It's a bit fat, bro, but yeah, let's try it out, man. So this is what it's looking like right now. So we had that bulge there. That bulge is gone. Now all we gotta do is give it a try. I'm gonna sandpaper this down because it's looking a little gnarly. Okay, so we got it in there now. Thought it didn't fit, but I did not line it up properly, and now it's fitting. So EK to EG swap, brake booster, it's possible. You're just gonna have a hole there. So yeah, that's at least what I thought. I hope that doesn't contribute to rust. Nah, there was a hole there. Anyway, that is a problem for another time. That is China's problem. We gotta sort that out though before proceeding. Yeah, so this was Christmas time, December, and I had to still make a dessert for the table, and I got fed up of this booster, so I said fuck it and continued making my cake. So you can't put an EK booster on an EG, so this is just me showing you guys what not to do, you know, through trial and error. But yeah, let's take this as a video to know which is your best method to go with it, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna get me an EG booster. I found out that the 1.6 EG booster is the same as the 1800. It's the same size and will fit without you making any alteration. So we're still waiting for that booster to come through. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Check you.